All right, so the first pose we're going to learn is bird. So base is going to lie down and the flyer is going to stand in front of them. And then the flyer can place the base's feet on their own hip bones, keeping the feet parallel. Now you're going to grab hands, flyer's fingers forward, and the base will bend their knees in towards their chest as the flyer leans into them. And then the flyer is going to try to keep their body nice and straight and strong and solid. And then from there, the base straightens their legs up towards the ceiling. And we're still holding hands. So base wants to keep their arms straight with their wrists stacked right over their shoulders. And that gives something for the flyer to push into and help lift their chest up. Now once you feel stable here, you can let go of the hands, maybe reach your arms back by your sides. And then notice the legs of the base. So you want your ankles to be stacked right over top of your hips. And that's going to give you lots of stability as a base and a flyer. So it's going to be a lot easier for you as a base when you have that stacking of the joints. And it's going to feel a lot more stable for the flyer also. And again, the flyer stays engaged here, so their chest slightly lifted, the back body's really engaged. To come out, same thing, just grab the hands and the base will bend their knees and bring the flyer back onto their feet.